feeling depressed is real.
Yeah.
Depression as a disease, I do not subscribe to. The idea, I believe, that if you feel depressed, something is depressing you, and you should try your best to fix it. You should take control of your life and do your best to fix it. The idea, but they don't say that. They don't talk that. They say depression like it's this magic thing that comes out the sky and it gets in your brain. You're sad no matter what. There's nothing you can do about it, and you need to only take pills. And I think that's a very bad way to look at the world, and that's a bad idea to subscribe to. And if you start to feel one day waking up and being miserable and not wanting to live anymore, and it's nothing to do with my circumstances, and I have no power over it, and no matter how good my life is, I'm still gonna feel terrible and I'm gonna wanna die. Even if I had a chemical imbalance in my brain, I do not believe in depression. That's just who I am as a person. I don't believe in it. I do not believe in things that take power away from me. So, and people sit there and they try very hard to convince me it's real, which is actually quite interesting because it's always usually depressed people who sit there and try very hard to defend this idea. If you're so scared, if depression's so terrible, why are you sticking up for it? Why are you fighting so hard to convince me it's such a powerful force? Why shouldn't you be doing the opposite? Shouldn't you be listening to me? Whose team are you on? Like, do you want to be depressed? Like, it's insanity, these people who are so desperate to push this idea. Then you add in the pharmaceutical element and the fact that everyone's taking these fucking drugs, messing with their brain chemistry. It's garbage. I think that you feel depressed sometimes because you're human.
So you felt depressed at times, would you say?
We're all human. What I'm saying is you're playing a game and it's a competitive game and you need to build a mindset that allows you to be ultra competitive. And if you want to sit there and say, no, I want a non-competitive mindset, then fine. You know what you call people who do not win competitions. And the natural state of man is a competitive state of man. Men have always been competing with each other. Even now, right now, we compete with each other. I don't buy Ferraris to drive fast. I do sometimes, but if I'm in London traffic, it's not to go quick. No. It's to show everyone else I'm richer than them. That's what it is. It's a never-ending competition. I don't wear a big diamond Patek with fucking $500,000 to tell the time. I tell the time on my phone. I do it because I'm loaded. And this is actually what's interesting about the world, because the world's changed. Men used to go to war and fight each other in physical combat, and now we don't because we're more civilized in some regards. Violence is still the bottom line of society, but we try and avoid it. Men are constantly doing combat by showing each other how we can move world with money. We're constantly in combat because of our status. 99% of what men do is for status. We want to be in good shape for status. We want the fast car for status. We want the nice house for status. We want the diamond watch. We want the hot girl. This is all for our status. Look at me. I'm the big dog. This is how we compete with each other. If you're going to be a dude who pretends that's not true, or be a dude who doesn't want to compete, your life's going to fucking suck. Every single pound they want, someone else wants. Every single girl they want, someone else wants. There are people like me out here. I will destroy, you could get all 30 of them in a room and I will sit by myself and absolutely annihilate them in any single metric. And they're just sitting there just fucking floundering and wandering through life, unaware of how competitive the world is.
Well, and whinging how unfair it is.
And how unfair it is. And this is my point. If the world is truly that competitive, you do not have time to be depressed because it's a non-competitive mind state. You could be depressed for X, Y, Z, whatever. I'm not depressed. And I want the money you want, and I want the girl you want, and I want the status you want, and the car you want, and the house you want. And I'm gonna get it, and you're fucking not. Let's pretend I'm completely wrong, right? We can look at situational depression like you just described. We can talk about brain imbalance and chemical imbalance. We can talk about clinical depression that you get, and it's chronic, and there's nothing you can do about it, whatever. Let's pretend all these things are completely true. The best option, the best thing to do is still to get up, be an adult, control your emotions, be stoic, and do the things you're supposed to do day after day. Laying in bed and doing nothing is never going to be the best option. The best option is still to go to the gym, to work hard, to run your business, to be successful. So it doesn't matter. We're talking about the different positions on the chessboard. But if the rules of the game remain the same, regardless of the position you're still trying to win, you still have to do the same things. So does it even matter at this point? If you come along and say he's depressed because of X, and he's depressed because of Y, and he's depressed because of Z, and the answer to all of them is still the same thing, then I don't give a fuck why you're depressed. All I know, what I will state as a matter of fact, is this world is hyper competitive, especially as a man. Most men are walking through life and they don't realize that it's constant competition. And this is the thing, and this is the thing about society and MSM and all this garbage and the Matrix. They try and convince you, don't worry if you're being a loser, because people feel sorry for you and you'll get attention for it and you'll be okay in the end. And it's all this temporary fixes of dopamine by saying, I'm sad, don't worry bro, you'll be okay. But it's bullshit. They don't care long term. The world doesn't care. Nobody really cares. Chicks don't care. Business doesn't care. You are going to fail.
What would you say the single thing was for you to go and grab life by the bollocks and go for it? Because something had to spark that.
I was instilled with a duty for a very long time to honor my ancestors through achievement. And I was told from a very young age that the only thing your ancestors are interested in is achievement. Even to this day, when I do podcasts, people repeatedly talk about my father. If I wasn't successful, he wouldn't be spoken about anymore. He died 9 years ago, and he was a good chess player, but no one's really that interested in chess. The reason he lives on is because I'm so monumentally successful that people are interested in my origin story, and he is mentioned. The reason I will live forever is because my son will be so monumentally successful that they'll talk about how he could have been such a perfect specimen of man, how he was raised, and they will mention me. If you give a shit about your ancestry, and if you give a fuck about your family, and you're not a selfish person, and you want them to exist out in the ether for reality, for the eternity of reality, it is your duty to be successful. If you love your family, and you love your last name, and you're proud of yourself, then you have a duty to be massively, monumentally successful, to show homage to your ancestors. I find it amazing there are people out here today who are going to sit and say, oh, I'm sad, I'm too depressed, I don't want to work hard. Do you understand that only 200 years ago, there were peasants out working a field, starving, surviving the Black Death, surviving the plague, struggling to exist just to reproduce, so that 200 years later, you can be the end of their bloodline for you to sit on your ass and do fucking nothing. Like, well, you're a fuck up. You're fucking up your entire bloodline of your entire ancestry. You owe these people things. They went through hell for you to exist. You have a debt, you have a duty to pay. You have to be the best possible version of yourself. And the same to God. God loves people who try. God loves people who work hard. It's amazing if you try your very best all the time, what God will give you. He'll give it to you, anything you want, if you actually try. Not convincing yourself you try, actually try. They're different things. But yeah, I was instilled with this because from a young age, my dad said, you're a Tate. And Tates are the greatest people on the face of the planet. And there's gonna be a day I'm not here anymore, and they're gonna talk about me because of how fantastic you are. So go do your fucking job. I said, yes, sir. And here I am. That's how life should be. You should have a duty to your ancestors. It's disappearing from society. It used to be like, I am Andrew, son of Emery. It was all about who you're a son of.
Yes.
Right? And it's all vanishing now.
Yeah.
But you have a legacy you can build. And I love the fact that when I was growing up, when my dad walked into a chess tournament, people were scared because his name was said, and they were fearful of his last name. And now people are fearful of the last name again because of me, and they will be again because of my son. And this is the beauty of life as a man. And one of the most terrifying but also gratifying things of life as a man is that we're all born relatively valueless. I don't think women are born that way. A woman, if she's born, especially if she's attractive, has an innate value. People just want her no matter what. But as a man, if you're not an important man, nobody gives a fuck about you, and they're never going to care. So you have to build yourself from the ground up, and that's scary for a lot of people, but it's also a massive opportunity. You can decide if you want to be a famous musician or a nice sensitive poet or a painter or a kickboxing world champion or a businessman. You get to decide on all the different characters in the video game. You can choose, who do I want to be? And then if you actually try, you can become it. Isn't that amazing? You can wake up and go, you know what? I want to be this kind of guy. I knew who I wanted to be. I wanted to be the dude pulling up in the Lambo, 3 a.m, gets out. Everyone's like, who is this big, strong, rich dude? I wanted to be that man, so I became him. And if you don't want that, if you want to go be a musician and play guitar and get a bunch of chicks and chill in Bali and smoke weed, whatever, go, you can choose your character and build it. A lot of people don't have the ability to understand the compounding effect of doing the right thing time after time. Even if you start a new business and you don't know what to do. I guarantee if you're always on time, if you're a builder and you're always on time, take the basic shit. Just be on time.
Yeah.
Over time, you may think, oh, I'm just on time, no one notices. Trust me, across 10 years, that's the difference between being a successful builder and not being a successful builder. Just stick to the absolute basics and do the right thing and know what you're supposed to do. And this is why I have so little sympathy for people who go, oh, I'm trying to make it. And I can't. It's interesting, but it's a very fun commentary.
Alright. So let's see how we can do the things today. Let me fix 1-2 things there. Now we should be good. So just wait a minute. Arsalan, hello again, bro. Hello, man. Welcome. So that was the trade that I took, and I put it on my story. It is break even now. Maybe it came down because I think 1 hour closed bearish, but it is a very weak bearish. So maybe it go down, maybe it go up. I don't know. The thing I know is I will not close anything until this level at 1 to 1. So this is the thing that I know. uh, Looks like this is coming down, and why I took this trade, because I missed this trade. I was waiting for this candle to close there, and unfortunately it closed right at this level. So this candle moves up without giving me a steeper bottom wick, because I can't keep my stop loss like this 30 pips. So because I can't take a 30 pips there, so that is why I decided to not take this trade. I took this trade, I think. Now one more time. Oh wow, look at this, man. One more time I would be in 12 pips in profit. But let's go to our main account, and this is it. So what we are anticipating for, let's do some analysis there. So we are very bullish for the day. This is the thing that we know. We are bearish on the 4-hour time frame, bearish on the 1-hour time frame, bearish on the 30-minute time frame, bearish on the 15-minute time frame. All we need is candle to close below this range. If we can get the closure below this range, then what? Then we can take this trade. We can take the advantage of this range. This is a beautiful 31 pip range. And one more thing I wanna tell you guys, from today, like, everything will be changed, and in January 2024 we will come with with huge experiences. We will come with huge learning. So let's see, man, how the journey goes. But for now I think we can this oh wow, this is the onion play on the 30-minute, man. But I think that was the best onion play towards the upside, and I was waiting for the candle to close like above this range, there at this point, so I can take advantage of this range. But let's see. And so let's mark up my potential sells are closure below. Potential sells close below. Simple. Like, you can say that, hey man, we are bullish, we are bearish, and range 2 like this. Whatever you wanna say, you can say, but I will do the things that I think this is best for me. If I lose on my plan, this is also win, because I follow my plan. But man, so here is the so where I am looking for buys. Let me see. 1 hour, 4 hour. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Like, we will break the high of the previous 4-hour candle, so that makes sense for us to take this advantage of this week. This is 20 pip wick fill. And also let's go to the so first thing first, this is no trade range for us. So no trade range, we don't give fuck in this range. No trade range. So that's it, that's clear. This is nothing, this is no trade range for us. So we have no business to do any stuff in this range. We have no business. But maybe if we can like get a fake out from towards the downside, then we can take a buy on the fake outs. What I said, I always take the fake out trades when I see like fake out in the direction of the trend. So overall trend is bullish. And one more thing is also one more thing I want to show you guys. We reject from 2050. Man, you have to understand this. 2050 or 2050 is a major big psychological level. So yeah, also it makes sense for us to take the trade above this level, like we will also get the closure above 2050. Yeah, if we can so like what we want potential sells close below. So alright, so I got the candle close below this range. So where is the first problem area where I have to secure profits? Here. Man, this shit is coming down. Like I shouldn't uh move my stop loss to break even. Like now, like stop loss was 18 pips. Now we were like up 18 19 pips minus 1.2 pips spread, almost 1 to 1. And we all know this is the first problem area there where I keep. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it, man. That's it. So, man, I think I have to keep my keep my stop loss above this candle. I shouldn't move my stop loss. So yeah, it is what it is. So from today, I will increase my risk a little more because I don't wanna, like, I'm still at break even, getting trades very less in quantity wise, and like I think our like whenever my setup shows up, I have to go with a good risk, man. So one good thing is, on the 15-minute time frame, if this candle close below the range, that will be the first bearish 15-minute candle that close below the range. So if it close on the 30-minute time frame, that will be the second 30-minute candle that close below the range. So we still have one more candle for the room of one more candle to close below the range or drive down. So let's see, man, let's see. So what we need for the next candle, what we need in this candle, we just need a candle to close below the range. And what we need for the next candle, we need candle to close came up, create a good week, because we can't keep our stop loss at like 37-36 pips. So we have to, like, our area is 24 pips or 25 pip range if we can get the candle closure at this point. So in this way we have to keep our stop loss above the next candle. So let's see how we can get the trade. And that was the first thing that I was looking for. When this candle closed bullish, I was like, if this candle can break the high, I will go for a trade. And this candle didn't break the high, then it closed weak bearish. So I was like, man, that's it. If this candle close above this range, or if this candle close like bullish, so I can go to the 30-minute time frame and I will take a buy. But this candle close at this point, and I said to myself, hey man, move is done now. Now we have this problem area. So what we can do now, we can wait for like one more good setup. So okay, look at this, man. This is also one of the best setups. Yeah, this is also one of the best setups, and it can also give you a one-to-one. That was the second setup one-to-one. That was the third setup one-to-one. Today, I think today is the trading day. But as till now, everything was good. I don't know about what gold will gives us, but till now everything is good, man. And also, I wanna show you guys. Let me see the comment section. Oh, Ali is here. Muhammad Ali, morning, bro. Ali, good morning, brother. And Chishoke Lalas, take easy, bro. Bro, how can I take easy, bro, where your name is too much difficult? I can't even take easy your name. How can I take like easy trading, man? Very difficult. Yeah. If your name is so much difficult for me, how can I take the trading easy? So nothing is easy for today. Like after pronounce your name, I think nothing is easy for me. So let's see where this candle close. Can we go for impulse entry there? Let's see. But we still have 2 minutes left. Yeah, we still have 2 minutes left, and yeah, bro, yeah. So guys, leave a like on the stream, and that would be good, man. Leave a like on the stream so more people can find our stream. So when we got the more peoples, we will get the new questions every day. When I give the answers of their questions, that would be good. That will be like you can get also more knowledge. So this is the thing you have to understand, like. So I think looks like for now we can, like, this candle is rejecting from this support there, and let me, Ali, I am calling you, man. So looks like this candle is rejecting from this area. So what we need candle to close below the range, not above the range. So Ali, how are you, bro? I'm good. Let me uh, unmute you on the stream so people can also hear you. Can you speak now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, now people can hear you. So yeah, now
How did your yesterday went?
man, yesterday was very crazy. Like no opportunity.
Bro, I just left the gold chart. Like, what the fuck is going on with
Man,
gold impulses?
when I was talking with you, it moves like just 170 pips, and it moves more. It moves 200 pips more.
Yeah,
And I was like, man, what the heck is going on? It should take me in trade and give me like just 20 pips, and then it can go wherever it want. Just like I was like, man, gold, don't do it, man, don't do it. And gold said to me, hey, I don't give a fuck to your 20-cent trade.
yeah,
Peoples are putting me order of like $1 million order or $500,000 order. Your
yeah.
profits are less than their order, and I was like, yeah, that's it, that's right. So then I say, hey, gold, then good night, go to hell.
After 7:30, I just closed my gold chart and put all my focus on GJ.
Oh, let's do the analysis on
And
GJ.
yeah, we,
So
and waited
GJ,
for this fake out for like, yeah.
yeah, GJ again closed bearish, man. GJ again closed bearish. So yeah, man, that was a trade that I took yesterday on GJ. There was absolute no volume, but but still it gives me like 20. I think I got like 18, 17, 18 pips there. It came up for 25 pips, but I I was able to manage get like 20. This is the thing that I said on the live stream, and when I came back to the my PC, and when I see this, I was like, that's it, man, that's it. And when I see this, I was like, yeah, that was the plan in the London session, and let's follow that plan and let's see if it works. And it works. And
Yes.
also one more thing is it create a, yeah, when this kind of close above the range, I was not like, I said this, it can reject from this area or it can reject from the bottom of the range. So when it reject from this area and this kind of close above this range, but it closed right at this spot, and I was like, no man, I don't have to go for a trade. Then I like, all right, so then I spent some time with my friends, and I think yesterday I was with my friend for like 1.5 hour or 2 hours. Then I came back to home, go to the ground, play little sports, and that's it. So let's do some analysis, man. Let's do some. Oh, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. All right. So that was a 1 hour breakout. So I think. Oh, that was the trade there on the onion play setup.
Mm.
Uh, how much?
And GJ?
Yeah.
It was 9:30. It was like whatever trade.
Oh, it was 9:30. All right. Yeah. Yeah. 9:36 plus 3, 9:30. Yeah. But when I like uh, wake up and I see, I was looking at this candle, and this candle like tell me, no, I'm not giving you anything. And I was like, all right, so if you don't want to give me anything, I will take from this candle. This candle show me a middle finger, and it just came up.
Gold 30-minute was clean. When this 30-minute closed below this range, like making a resistance, like
Yeah.
come down and come up and make a resistance to come down. But the only issue for me was it was a 4-hour candle opened, and I can't risk the 4-hour top wick.
No,
That's why I
I
couldn't
yeah
enter
yeah
on the flip.
yeah yeah same thing go. But I took the trade there, and it came for like 15, 14, 15 pips, and like I've said you before, like this is my favorite setup, onion play. And I was like, yeah, I shouldn't wait for the. Actually, I got the closure on the 15-minute time frame, but and when this kind of closed bullish, I was like, maybe it the next kind of came up, close bullish, and then create a resistance to came down, and in that process, maybe it stopped me out, and that is why I closed the trade at break even. I didn't move my stop loss to break even. I just closed the trade my break even. When this kind of close,
Did you check before 4-hour open?
yeah,
Let me see what was it. You just take your trade on 10:30, I guess.
yeah, 10:30.
Yeah, 10:30.
I was like,
So
maybe I
open
go.
a riskier time.
Yeah, but I was thinking like we have a huge volume. Maybe it give me like mm, like we have just 1 month. We are just 1 month away from 2024, and now we have to decide the rules. Now we have to decide what we have to do in the 2024. Do we have to do the same things in 2024, like closing the trades earlier, or closing the trades, taking the trades without plan or stuff like that? No, we don't want to do that. And I was like, if I don't want to take the risk today, when I will take the risk. And I said to myself, no, I have to take the risk. Like, if I have to take the risk in 2024, why not today? Why not today?
Yeah.
And like, if I am saying that, hey, I don't want to take the risk today, then I can't do anything. So from today I'll take the risk of 1.5%, and I'll try to secure something at almost maybe 1.2%, 1.3%, or like,
Mm.
if the range is very very clean, then I'll aim for 2%, 2.5%. I think now we have to fix these things. Like, if I have my stop loss of 18 pips, 20 pips, I'll go with a 40-cent lot. Yeah, I'll go with a 40-cent lot, where I my risk will be like 1.5%. And if I got like
On
20,
gold?
yeah,
No.
and if I like take 20 pips, then my risk to reward is 1 to 1.
Yeah.
So the thing is, uh, like, streaming is very difficult, and I am understanding this. Like, it puts some extra pressure. I have to take win in front of people's, and this is some extra pressure on your mind or on your psychology. But I think we we I got disciplined on the stream, not off the stream. This is the thing. Like, if it also has some good effects, it also has some bad effects. But the thing is, the best thing on the stream is I do not break my rules, because I am responsible to the people's. Hey man, why you took this trade when that trade was not in your plan? So I'm responsible for my everything. Actually, I'm not responsible, but like, I am on the stream, I have to show you people, man. Like, if I say, hey man, you have to take the trades on your plan, and if I am not following my own plan, how the fuck I can tell you that you have to, what pair is this? Man, this pair is Chijioke Lalas. This pair is Chijioke Lalas against dollar. So I'm trading you against the dollar, and no one is putting the buy order, so we can't accept any sell order. So that is why price is just stuck in the at the zero. So people are not
One
bidding.
more good thing about Yeah, one more good thing about streaming is it makes you disciplined. It makes you hard to follow your plan.
Yeah, this is the thing that I like
Yeah,
about the streaming. Other than that, like, this is the thing that I was
yeah.
talking, like,
You can't break
because,
the rules.
yeah, I can't like, this is the thing. Every trader you will see, they got disciplined on the stream. Like, why I started the
Yeah.
stream. So let me tell you this thing. Why I started the stream. One day I was watching the Raja Bank's video, and he was saying that, like, I got disciplined on the stream when people, like, I didn't know too much stuff, but when people ask me the question, I have to give them an answer. And when I give them an answer, I that things keep in my mind, and this is the way I become better. So then I decided, man, I have to do the same stuff. Then I decided to give a free Zoom session, and I put my full energy for 3 hours, and people were happy. They was like, man, this is the best thing you ever did. We are very happy. And then I was getting irritated when they sent a chart and they asked, hey, buy or sell. Then I was getting irritating. But this is not good,
Yeah.
man. Like, if I give you a like Zoom session, and it doesn't mean I am the god of the market. It doesn't mean I know where the market is going. I don't know anything, man. And no one knows where the market will go. No one knows. Like if someone knows where the market will go, I think one person is go no, and who is Jerome Powell. He know he have to
Yeah.
cut the rates. He know he have to raise the rates. He know everything. Other than that, no one
So
is.
if we have a little knowledge about what will the market do next, we will be millionaire overnight. We will just sell our house and deposit that money on our broker and go full
Yeah,
margin on that.
man, we can
No one
like,
knows.
yeah, we can easily double our
Yeah.
money. Not just double our money. We can like go with a 1 to 1,000 leverage, and we can every time we go with a full margin, and we can take like uh 2x, 3x every day, and we can
Yeah.
get the billionaire in just 1 month. So this is not the thing. People have to
Yeah.
understand this. This no one knows where the market will go. And like if you ask me, hey, buy or sell, I will no, I will say no, man. I don't know buy or sell. If the candle can close below the range, I can anticipate it can go down to this level. Just anticipate. I don't know it
Yeah.
will go down. I will just anticipate based on my experience. Yeah, whenever market like close outside of the range, it most more of the time it just moves in that particular direction. This is the thing that I know. I can't say, man, like I know where the market will go. No one knows. So people have to understand. Maybe we got the closure on the 30-minute candle before below this level. Then we can go for a sell. Uh, yeah, then we can go for a sell, but and 2040 is a key level, and we have to be very careful on the key level, because what I said to you, like, man, 2010 is a key level, and what market did, let me see what market did at the key level. 2010 was a key level. Look at this candle just came down, reject from the key level. This candle, that was the news candle. It came up, came down. No, that wasn't the news candle. That was the push that like towards the downside, but it reject from this area. So this is a thing, like we have to understand the key levels too. When I understand the key levels, I was like, man, this is the thing that like that was the thing, like it came down, and it came up close at the reject from the key level, and just boom came up, and yeah, man, that's it. And I think I have to go for like just for 1 minute. Alright, so got some fruits there, and that's it, man. That's it. So gold is looking like rejecting from this area, but I don't wanna jump into the buys where 4 hour candle is bearish, and this is like the top wick for the 4 hour candle. And I think that is good. That is good for, like, if we can come up, if we can come up, create a resistance there, then man we can go down. So yeah, let's see how we can find the opportunity. For now, no opportunity. And yeah, guys, if you are on the stream, oh, looks like it is coming now. Guys, if you are on the stream, just leave a like on the stream. Oh, we reject from this area. What was this? Maybe how the 4 hour candle close. Oh, 4 hour candle close bullish. So we have to 1 hour close bullish, 30-minute bearish, but no top wick there. Let's see if we can get the top wick. Maybe if we can get the steeper top wick, I'll 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 go for a trade on the flip, on the flip of the candle. If we can get the top wick and candle flip bearish after getting a steeper top wick, I'll go for a trade. Other than that, I think nothing is good. Yeah, nothing is good. Other than that, we just have to wait. And let me eat some stuff there, man. I'm getting heavier day by day, and still I'm eating too much calories, too much carbs, everything. And also I'm getting heavier day by day. So we will do the analysis on GJ, but before that, let me take some calories, let me take some energy. Yeah. Gold is doing nothing now. So whenever candle will go for the close below the range, this is a clear indication to take a sell. If it came up, create a resistance, I'll go for a sell. Oh, oh, this level. Yeah, this is a strong level. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm at break even, got nothing. Oh, that was my other account. This is my streaming account. I was down on that account 5%. Yeah, now I am just 1%. Yeah. Yesterday I was thinking like the way I won the seven trades. If I go with 2%, I can easily like up 4-5%. Yeah. But the thing is now I understand I am getting much disciplined person on the stream. So that is why I am trying to increase my risk. Because when I started the streaming, I was very, very nervous and I was like, man, what the heck is going on? I was not that man. Like, my trading is not that bad that as I am performing on this, on the stream. So that is why I lower my risk. I was like, no, I am a little nervous and I am not, I am a little bad on decision making. But now I am getting good. It will take like if someone is taking 0.5% risk, he has to came for like six times in this word. Like Indian says, six janam. ओ क्या क्या कहते हैं वो सातवां जन्म, हम अगले जन्म में दोबारा मिलेंगे। इस जन्म में मेरी फुप्पो की बेटी मेरी फुप्पो में रिंग पहना गई है, हम अगले जन्म में मिलेंगे। मुकेश मेरे दिल में तुम ही हो। भाई दिल का क्या करना है, जो चीज देने वाली है वो तो, दिल का मैं क्या करूं, दिल से पानी थोड़ी निकलेगा। हाँ, मुकेश मेरे दिल में तुम हो। So this is the thing that I was anticipating on GJ. What? Yeah. 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 I know. But but his strategy make no sense. Like wake up in the morning, take a buy, and that's it. This is not the thing. Yeah. Yeah. No, he was using he was using some algos. He was using some algos, like they trade on their own. Yeah, he was using some kind of bad stuff that is not allowed on any broker. Like when Raja Banks got the Ferrari, one day he made a video like how to sit on the Ferrari if you are taller than 6 feet. And you know what? Who was the man who like record that video? He who was it was Noman, and he go to Dubai. He made like fun with Raja Banks, and he enjoy in his Ferrari, and he do all that shit. And then Raja Banks know he's using that things on Dominion market, and Raja Banks warning him, hey, don't use it, like don't do the shit with me, man. I'm your friend. And he was same because he has no strategy. So then Raja Banks banned him on his broker, and this is the this is the start of their like fighting. Noman was why he banned me on his broker, because he's my friend. He hasn't he shouldn't do that, but that is why he's banned from the funding companies. I think it was algo trading or whatever it is. Like one day he put the story, like people are asking me from how do the trade how the banks trade. No, no, no. This is a bullshit like smart money concept. Banks do not trade smart money concept. The fuck, man, the how much money they have, they can just put in any pair and they can pump that pair. Why they have to wait for like, hey, price has to go this level? If they put their money in a buy direction, price also can go to this level. Why they have to take these 2 3 extra pips? This is just bullshit. I think banks use some algos actually. Let me see this thing. They use some kind of algos, and that algos. How do banks trade? How do banks trade? Yeah, they do the hedge, and he was hedging, and he put on his story like, hey, don't like ask me for the hedging because it is not as easy as you are thinking. If easy it is as easy as you are thinking, like then anyone can do this. And he accept this, man. On the I was like, I one day I go to the his Twitter space, and he was with other traders, and all of them were asking, hey, tell me what's your strategy. It make no sense, like wake up in the morning and take a buy. It make no sense. Tell me what's your strategy. And he was like, he was not able to explain his strategy. Then he like, yeah, I was using hedging or algos or whatever it is, and this is the thing he was doing, and he makes money in that way. Yeah, the only thing he do is like he make money. The way he make money, this is not like give him. Yeah, the day will come when he will got banned from every broker. Yeah, 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 yeah. I remember this. That are the days when I know about Raja Banks, and I think that was like that. Yeah, that was my beginning of the trading. Yeah, yeah. Mm, mm. Yeah, when he said now this is the high probability to win this trade because I already lose the four. Yeah, this kind of strategies not work, man. Like it make like if you take the first trade on the demo account and you won and you also won the second trade and you will be fucked up like man, why I am taking the trade on demo account when I am winning every trade. And he once he said he only take buys, he don't take sells. And also it make no sense like to take buys every time. Actually, the thing is, the things he was saying, he was not trading that way. Yeah, he made money, but it doesn't mean he made money from his strategies. He made money from his because of his sharp mind. Yeah. So this is the credit to him. Like if yeah. So wow, look at this. So I didn't go for GJ. I was like, I was looking for trade. If this kind of can came up, create a stupid topic, I'll go the trade on the flip. But now it is 5 pips below the flip. But that could be the good trade. But I think now, let's see. Today I didn't even analyze the GJ. Oh, look at this! It just reject from this area. This is a area that we said like we can reject from this area. Look at this. It rejects from the same area. So guys, listen, man. Give a like on the stream. Give a like on the stream, man. Let me like myself. So yeah, we have 2 likes now. Give a like on the stream, guys. This is not good, man.
Yeah.
This is not good. Like where you got the information, where you got the free trades, and you are not giving us a like. Oh, we have 5 likes now. Guys, we have 7 people watching now. And 1 like is from my side. So let's get the likes to the 10. We have 7 people are watching. Yeah. Let's get the likes up to 10. That would be good. So if we can get the closure below, man, then we can go for a trade. So that is why I'm saying that gives us a like so we can go for a trade. I'm anticipating this thing like if this candle close bearish, next candle close bullish, that will be the NYSC will drive this thing to like fill the whole week.
What? You mean London Open?
No, I'm talking about the 4 hour candles.
Oh,
Do we have any news today? We have Euro
yeah,
news.
1 p.m. here right now. Yeah.
Yeah, we have Euro news. Oh, we have Spanish CPI. I think it will move gold a little bit. It will move GJ a little bit. And let's see how it plays out. No,
I guess we could go for for a sell on GJ on the hourly open.
no,
With the stop on the previous 30. It's 20 pips
we have a news.
on 1 hour. The news is at 1 p.m. bro.
Yeah,
If this candle close heavy bearish
no, this candle
and the
has
next
to
candle
close
gives
below
top,
on the 1 hour time frame.
yeah, if the next candle just give me a topic, then I would be interested to go for sell.
News can gives us a topic. Other than that, I don't think so there is anything.
Let's see what will happen.
Like if news drives GJ towards the downside first, it means we are coming up.
What news is on 1 hour?
No.
When it is 12 p.m.
Oh.
and the news is at 1 p.m.
Oh, this is a yellow folder there. So red folder news is 1 hour. So ah,
Let's see how the candle open on the new hourly.
I think I can go when it will go up for the topic, but I don't know what to do. But I'm looking at the gold now. Man, gold is I think
Yeah,
little. Gold is a little easy than as compared to the GJ now.
yeah.
Actually, this candle gives us a topic that I was looking for, and
I want this 1 hour to close below this range for me to take the sell.
yeah, 1 hour. But I still
No, I
think,
guess not.
oh, looks like we are rejecting from this area. But I still think like the best trade would be to buy is above this level and sells. Yeah, that was not our trading time, but 9:30 trade was good trade. Like we did create a new low and we came up, create a resistance on the previous resistance and just like we came down on the candle open and 30 pips.
Bro, I
That
want to backtest the candle open trade. Just if you like, sometimes it often happens on the onion play setup
onion play
when
setup is a good.
price comes down and
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, when price comes down or maybe come up, then come for a retracement and give us a very nice support and resistance. But the hourly candle just gives us a nipple wick and goes like straight from our uh, straight
Look
to
at
the
this.
TP or downside or
Look at
maybe
this
upside.
wick on the 15-minute time frame. I was like,
Yeah,
man, what's this? Like, I was looking for this candle to close in this area so I can take the trade on the new candle open, on the 1 hour candle open. But it just said to me, hey, I don't give a shit. Just go to hell. I was like, no, man. Oh, 1 hour close. Bullish. But I think my buy is, oh, if we can get the closure above this range on the on the 30-minute time frame, I'll go for a buy. Yeah, this range. So, alright, let me. Oh man, 4 hour is bullish, so we have to wait. We have to look for a bias now. So I'm doing the analysis now. Yeah, like now it's been like. Alright, so what is no trade range for me? If we go to the 30-minute time frame, what we see? Oh, fuck, man, where? Alright, so looking for buys above this level. Simple. Maybe look for sells. No, not for now, but uh, looking for sells. Yeah, potential buys above this level. No, no if, no but. Potential buys above this level. 1 hour looks good, and if the 1 hour candle close above this range, it means we have a London Open. Or if the 30-minute candle close above the range, we can see the push, and I think Yeah, this is 18 pip range and we can keep our BE point there. Here is the BE point, and a little low. Yeah, here is the BE point. Potential. Oh, yesterday we didn't have the potential buy, so let's delete these lines. That was yesterday's anticipation. And what else I'm looking for? I'm looking for sales closure below this level. Let me see this thing. All right, so it looks good on the 30-minute time frame, so we can go to this level. This looks like 28 pip range, maybe 28 pip range. So this is a 28 pip range on the 30-minute time frame. Oh, so that's it. That's the plan. No other plan. Nothing. Simple is that. Alright, so let's delete this. Yeah, I have my potential cells closed below. Where is the 4-hour low? Oh, here is the 4. So yeah, so this is the analysis on the GJ. Yeah, yesterday, let me tell you, the thing is, yesterday there could be the trade there, like this candle close above this range, and we can go on the candle open, but the man still same problem, like no bottom wick on the 1-hour candle. A zillion. Hello guys, hello bro, how are you, man? How are you? So a zillion. Yeah, this is the plan. Like yesterday, that was the plan, to take the buys close above, and this guy did close above the range. We can go for on the candle open, and that was the trade. That could be the good trade, but yeah, it is what it is. I think we should not care about this stuff. We
Yeah,
will.
I was also looking at that thing.
I think you were looking for the bottom wick.
Yeah, I was
It
looking for a
just
step
move up.
bottom. I
It
could go
just
for
move up,
buy.
guys. I'm good, bro. Been busy whole
Yeah,
week, but I'm back now. Yeah, man. No problem. Hope you are doing well in your trading, and hope you are doing the good stuff. And goal is try to came down, and I think like I we know we are bullish for the day, but I'm still more inclined towards the sells, because we rejected from this very strong area 2050. So if this 15-minute candle can close below the range, we can go for a sells. So let me keep the potential BE point and potential. Alright, so here is the BE point and partial TP there. Yeah, guys always ask me, hey, where is the BE point? Where is the potential TP? Where is the partial TP? So everything is here in front of you, guys. Here is the partial TP. Here is everything, man, in front of you. So this is no trade range for me for now. How it looks like on the let's see if we can get the, or if we can get the, no, I think, yeah, if we can get the fake out towards the down from the downside. So what we can do now, what we can do then, we will take a buy, but that fake out should be on the 30-minute time frame, because I don't do the trades on I don't take trades on fake outs, but I really want to take the trades in the direction of the trend. So we all know trend direction is towards the upside. So we have potential buys. These are the potential buys area for now. If we can find the structure, not like a bullish candle, if we can find a good structure, or if we can find a fake out from the downside, that could be the trade for the buys. But for now, I don't think so. Let's let's put this potential buys close. You know what, Ali? When I started the trading, and when I lose the trade,
Mm-hmm.
and like whenever I take the trade with Raja Banks on the stream, and most of the time Raja Banks lose his trades on the stream, and you know what? How I like makes myself like feel good. I said to myself, hey man, I just lost like $2, $3. This man lost $4,000 in front of me, and I am crying on my $2. And this is the thing I used to do.
Yeah.
And this is the thing, like people always say, hey man, look at the GJ. Hey man, gold is moving up. Why they do this? They just want, yeah, take the trade so we can take the that trade with you. So if we lose the trade, you can lose this, you should lose this trade too, so we can feel better for our loss. So this is the thing
Yeah, bro.
I was like remembering. Hey man, this is the thing I used to do on the Raja Bank stream. Hey, take this trade.
Yeah.
You said this is your setup. Now you are not taking this trade. Take this trade. I have to make money, but I don't have to make money without you. If you execute the trade, I'll go for it.
Yeah.
And this is the thing people used to do. Hey man, look at the GJ. GJ is pushing up. I don't know. Yeah, GJ pushing down, but I'm just like telling you, this is the thing I used to do.
Yeah, that's the perspective of all the beginner traders, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Everybody has to go through these.
Yeah, people need a little bit of confidence.
Yeah.
Like if they are trading with an experienced trader, they like, man, if I was looking for this trade, if this man take this trade, it means that was the good trade, so I have to hold this trade. Now we have this range there, a small range on the 30-minute time frame. Oh, let's see how USD JPY is moving. Yesterday, what was the yesterday plan? Where is the yesterday 11:10? So plan was to take this trade. This kind of close above the range. Stop loss could be 15, 16 pips. Target was 20 pips. Yeah, man. That could be the trade on USD JPY. I'm not going on the USD JPY. I will just anticipate this pair. Maybe I take the trade maybe in future, but for now we will anticipate this. I think that should be good. So let's do one thing. Where is my chat box? So yeah, guys, Azilian bro, give a like on the stream. That that will be the thing that make me happy. That, oh, we just touched this area one more time. Maybe in 4 minutes we got the closure below the range. If we can get the closure below the range, you know where we have to do. What we have to do? Yeah, let's see what we have to do. And if I lose this account in the December, I'll start new account in the 2024 10,000 account, and I have that account. I'm not just using that account, I'm trying to pass this account. So if we can get the closure below, I'll go for a trade. If this can close this range, this range, maybe I consider the trade. Oh, maybe I consider the trade below these wicks. Oh wow. Yeah, maybe I consider the range below these wicks if it closes below this range. So let's see where it closes. Oh no, I think yeah. All we need is the candle to close below 2043 and 2043.85. Let's see, we have 2 minutes left. But if it rejects from this area, it means I'm not going in this trade. And also I'll go with 1% risk at this point, because that will be impulse entry. And I'm not very good on the impulse entries, guys. If you wanna take this trade on your own. Like, then after losing the trade, don't bash me. Hey man, you don't know how to trade. So if I don't know how to trade, man, you are still on my stream. You have to understand this. So let's see how this can close. We have 1 minute left. We have 1 minute left, and I think, how much is the candle? 16 pips. Yeah, it has to close well below the range. Or maybe we can wait for another 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, just maybe. So if I take the position below this week, the stop loss will be 22 pips. And if I wanna take the risk of 1% on this trade, then what I'll do there, I will what I'll do there, I'll just, oh, it closed above the range. You can see now, it closed above the range. Nothing. Yeah, we have to wait for this 30-minute candle to close below this range, so we can, yeah, so we can go for a buy, we can go for a sell. If we can find the opportunity, if the next candle can close below the range, man, that will be the trade. Let's see how it how the next 15-minute candle can close. But this candle close above the support. And so 15-minute candle close above the support. If this candle can close below the range, that would be good. I think first it has to go up to grab the liquidity one more time, so when we take the trade, there shouldn't be any problem. But if it came up, grab the liquidity, that would be good. If it not, that will be not good. So let's see if it. Oh man, I'm feeling tired. Feeling tired. So let's see, man. Let's see if it gives us if it can gives us a closure below this range. You know where the next stop is. Like when we take a ticket of some like bus, and what we say them, hey, give me a ticket and stop and leave me at at certain station, like leave me at Quetta. I wanna go to Ali. I wanna meet with Ali. So leave me Quetta. So this is the bus. This is the bus, and if it like this is our station. If it close below this on our station, then we will sit on that bus, and we will say, hey man, listen, when you go to this stop, leave us there, and because this is our point where we wanna go, and after that where you wanna go, where you wanna go, we don't care, but yeah, but make sure to leave us at this stop. So this is the thing that we are doing now. Like we are we are just waiting for the bus to come in and stop at our station. Like when we have to go to some certain place, what we do? We just go to the bus station. Do we like is like if someone is in a rush process, what he would do? He will never sit on the wrong bus. He will always wait for his station bus. Like if he have to wait for 3 hours, he will wait. If he has to wait for 4 hours, he will wait, and he will wait for the right bus. But when we are looking for trade, we don't wait for the right bus. We just take the trade. This is not the good thing that we do, and we that is why we most of the time we lose. This is the main reason there. We don't wait for our bus, and we sit on the wrong bus, and that take us towards in the opposite direction, and that shows us a red signal. Red signal doesn't mean a red signal mean a red profits, or what we say, red outcome. And then you get mad on yourself. Hey man, why I sit on that bus? It just drove me at the wrong station. Now I have to like do the double struggle to get that point again. So that is why we are waiting for the bus to came in, stop at this position, and we don't wanna jump into the bus that is just running. Like we know if the bus is running and we jumped into the bus, we may got hit in, like we may get injury, or we may get like stuff like that like do the harm with us. So this is the thing you have to understand. So impulse entry means you are jumping towards the bus that are still running. and, and if you are jumping towards the bus that are still running, what does that mean? Yeah, yeah. So we have we have 9 minutes left, and I know you guys can wait for the 9 minutes. I know you guys can wait. So if you can't wait for that minutes, you will jump on the wrong bus. And when you jumped on the wrong bus, that means you are not going at your station. You are going at someone else's station, and they will like fuck you up. So looks like 30-minute candle try to close below this range, because on the 30-minute time frame we have this station. So all we need is candle to like either close below this station or either close below this station. These are the two stations that are ours, that we know they will take us to this station, and this is the station where we wanna go. Or like if we have a group of friends, and we are we are going to this station, like we do something like we just uh, out of 10 friends, we will uh, like come from the bus 7 8 friends, and we will three friends were sleeping, and we will not uh, tapped on them to wake up and go with us. No, we will just leave them, and if they came to this level, that will be good, but that will be not good for that friends, that will be good for us. So let's see, man, how the volume how the volume come and how it will gives us a move. This is a good 25, 26, 27 pip range there, and we can make some money there. Let's see how this candle close. This candle just has to do uh, to close below the range. Yeah, this candle has to close bearish. Yeah, this candle has to close bearish. Been busy. Alright, so that was the previous comment. So guys, if you wanna ask something, you can ask in the comment section. Let's see, man, if we can get the closure below, and if the next candle can break the low of this wick, then we'll go for a sell, and we'll keep our stop loss above the range, above the previous 30-minute candle. Why? Because that will be in the range, and as long as the candles are closing below the range, there is no problem for us, and that 5 minutes will decide the move, that 5 minutes. So I am hoping for my train to come in and stopped at the station where I want it to stop. Let's see if it stopped at the station where I want, or it just like came back to its own place. But I really want this candle to close below the range, because man, we need today, we need. And GJ is pushing down, but 1 hour candle close bullish, so there is no mean for us to take the trade. So looks like this is like no trade range, like if we don't messed in this area, so this looks like no trade range. Yeah, this looks like no trade range, no trade range. Yeah, this looks like no trade range. And if something is in no trade range, what we can do now, we can just wait for our bus to either take us from this point or take us from this point. And on gold, this is the thing that I want from gold. Where is the 30-minute? I think, Ali, what you think about gold? Oh, let me. Yeah, you all know I need bottom wicks. Like I don't like the candles that have no bottom wicks, or I don't like the bullish candles that have no top wicks. I like the bullish candles that have no bottom wick. Bullish candles to take a sell, like in this situation. Man, whenever you see this kind of setup on the 30-minute time frame, just take the trade. Believe me, just take the trade. This is the setup that has the win rate of, I think, oh, let me bring the magic keys, because when when I don't have my magic keys, I take some bad. Alright, so I pick my magic keys, man. So what we need now, we need just, let me change the magic key setting, and yeah, we have 2 minutes left. And oh wow, candle is breaking its own low. Let's see if we can get the bottom wick there. Let me change the magic key setting. I wanna go with 1.5% risk. 1.55. So okay, let's see. All we need is a bottom wick and the top wick for the next candle. We have 1 minute left. So open calc. Oh, oh, let me. Yeah, we need bottom wick, man. And I will keep my stop loss above the previous candle. Market pending. Yeah, it is trying. So yeah, low of this candle. Alright, so looks like we have a good bottom wick there. Alright, so I have my sell stop. I have my sell stop there. For me, this is good. Like we have 2 pip bottom wick there. So we have a top wick there. What is the low of this candle? 98. So I can go to. So guys, oh wow, this is good. This is good. Look at the top. Look at the top wick for the next candle. This is good. Yeah, we can, if we use this stop loss, that will be. Alright, so sell stop on the break of the low. I don't wanna go on the flip, but I wanna take the trade on the break of the previous candle low, because we have just 1 pip difference. So why we have to, like, yeah, I'll keep my stop loss below the previous candle, because I know this candle can came up one more time, create a steeper top wick, then it came down, because this trade is on the 30-minute time frame. So let's see how it plays out, man. I am feeling ill, not because of this trade. I don't know why I'm feeling ill today. like too much headache, feeling some extra cold, so let me pick something to wear on my jumper. Oh, man, I'm feeling cold now, and still yeah, man, this is just 2 minutes for the candle open, and I think we are good. Wow, let's see. Let's see if we can get activated there. You will see a push. You will see a push towards the upside, but let's see. Oh man. So, Ali, do you have sell stop or are you in this trade? Like on the candle open. Alright, so let me check the magic keys. Yeah, man, Onion Play setup has its own, like, oh, you know what? We also close below this range. We also close below this range, so this is something good, man. If it works, it works. Yeah, and I think that is why. Yeah, manage your risk. That is why the stop loss is below the previous candle high. So if the candle close above the range, I will just cut my trade. I will not wait for anything else. I will just cut my trade. But I think, yeah, 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 this is good. So your risk reward is positive. GJ is pushing down. GJ. If we look at this on the 15-minute time frame, we may see we don't want to take the trade after watching the candle closure like this, but we really want to take the trade. If we really want to take the trade when the candle close like this, let's see how it plays out. If it plays out good, oh, candle flip. So if someone has its, oh, slipped, man, a little. Oh, no, no, one pip, one pip. Yeah, one pip is nothing. One pip is nothing. Do you sleep? How much? Yeah, yeah, same thing for me, like one pip. Half pip, one pip is nothing. So this is the trade. This is the trade on the plan. Let's see how it plays out. if the volume if the volume can if the volume can come, I think it can gives us a move. Like now we are running 6 pips. So like like Carvin, push, push, push. I know you wanna do this. I know you wanna tap this area. Push, push, push. Man, I really like him. He is like very innocent. Like push, push, push. No, no, he is American, but the problem is, oh, we are running 6 pips now. So the problem is, he is, I think, Latin American. So there is a little difference between the Latin American and the like. Oh wow, 7 pips. Let's see how this thing plays out. 8 pips, guys. 8 pips. Let me go to the chat section. What chat is saying, man? 8 pips. Should we move to the stops to break even or not? I think it is too early. Yeah, guys, let's see how it plays out. Let me see how many peoples are. Yeah, I'll close partials at 10 pips. Yeah, bro, that's it. It's up to you now. Like, we just give an idea. Hey, this is the trade, and yeah, this is the idea. This is the thing that we were waiting for, and now it is. If it works, it works. If it not, I'll be down like 1.5%. So that's it. Nothing like crazy thing. Like, all right, 10 pips now. Yeah, guys, if someone wanna close the trade, he can close the trade. I think, yeah, I still have my sell stop loss above the previous candle high. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, this candle looks like very good. Like we may get like, yeah, let's see. Break even, because then that candle make no sense for like came up and just rally up. Like this is the thing that I was saying on my story yesterday. I was like, man, I didn't move my stop loss based on my emotions. I moved my stop loss because it said to me, hey, you can move your stop loss now. 10 pips now, guys. W in the chat. W's in the chat. So this is the thing that from my side, if I lose this trade, it's up to me. So for you, I can close 5 cent there. Yeah, I close 1 cent there. So now this is a W. Yeah, my lot size was 35 cent. I close 1 cent there just to make sure like I win this trade. Yeah, I close. So where I, yeah, when this candle W, bro, yeah, W, guys. Oh wow, 10 pips. So when this candle break the high of this candle, then I move my stop loss to break in. I was like, now because this candle break the high of this candle, now it make no sense for this candle to came down. So we have 12 pips now. We can close half there. So that is the thing. Now my stop loss is above the current candle high. Not current candle high. My stop loss is on the previous candle high, on the previous 15-minute candle high. Where is the previous 15-minute high? So yeah, that's another W, guys. Another W on the stream. N- Like, like I like the W's of the stream, but like I wanna show you guys. Like, look at this, man. I am doing this in front of you. Like no trading view, nothing. Everything is in front of you. So we have 4 minutes left. Now this candle can came up just to leave a bottom wick there, and the next candle can came up to, like, now I also manage my risk there. Like if I stopped out, I still be at break even. So this is the eighth win on the stream. Nothing crazy, just I'm following my plan. I think on this weekend I will, oh, let me show you this, man. Yeah, here I close half there. Now you can see 17 cents are running. Or if this kind of close with no wick at the bottom, I think then, yeah, then I'll close everything, because every time I see the candles that close with no wick at the bottom, it just, the next candle just came up. So what I was doing, yeah, I was just updating the record. 8th win, just one loss. What else you guys can expect? Like, yeah, this is the max that we can do. All right. Oh, 16 pips. I am out, like almost out. Almost, like 5 pips are running now. I think that maybe stop me out at break even. I still have my stop loss above the candle. So yeah, guys, now this is like, Ali, how much pips you secure? Yeah, it shows me 16 pips. Yeah, I secured 30 cents. First, when I secure first, I just secure 1 cent. Just to show you guys, this is a W. Yeah, Ali, this is the kind of like pressure that we feel on the stream, because like, because people always want 10 pips, they don't want more than 10 pips, I see. And this is not the good thing. Like wow, now we have our stop loss 14 pips. So yeah, if I go with my stop loss, if I, before taking the trade, I go with 13 14 pips, then I can secure the trade at 16. But yeah, that's it. That was the plan. But the plan is still a little away from us. Let me put the partial TP there. And I think the next candle, if the next candle like came up, break the low of the previous candle, I will move my stop loss to break even. Yeah, if this candle can came up, then came down and break the low of the previous candle, I will move my stop loss to break even. And I am also keeping the partial TP there. And oh, yeah, I have my partial TP at this point here. This is kind of a counter trend trade. Still no problem, man. Still no problem. So let's see how this thing plays out. So now, man, why this shit is happening in Pakistan? This is the beautiful place on earth. This is beautiful place on earth, and we don't have electricity. All right, so good luck, bro. Beautiful trade we took, and that was just based on the plan. Yeah, bro. All right, thank you, man. Just showing on the stream. This is just feeling good. So Allah Hafiz, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. So yeah, guys, that was the trade. Like we have 9 people, oh, 10 peoples on the stream, and we don't have too much W's. We don't have too much W's. I don't know why. So let's see if this candle, let's see how we will manage this trade. Let's see what's going on the GJ is doing nothing. All right, let's see if it flip. So let me see the chat. Let me see the chat. What they are saying. Uh, W. Tala plays 22 pips. Close, bro. Just leave a like on the stream. So looks like I'm closing another half there, another half there. So let's see if this thing came up, stop me out, or if it. Yeah, let's go to the today. Took one trade, and yeah, that's it. That's the trade in front of you guys. So yeah, guys, leave a W on the chat. W on the chat. Here are the W's from my side. So now drop a W from your side. So I think I don't know what to do now. Yeah, bro, leave a like on the stream too, man. And in that way, why I always say leave a like on the stream? Like whenever you like the stream, YouTube show that stream to more peoples, and more people will get this stream. More people will get this knowledge. More people will get this free trades. This is the thing, that is why we always say, hey man, just like leave a like on the stream. So yeah, that's it. So if this kind of can came down, that would be good. I wanna see just one more candle, just tapped into this area, nothing else. So what we have to do now? Like done. Oh bro, thank you man, thank you. Also love you bro, love you man, love you man, love you. Yeah guys, 8 people are watching now. Man, leave a like on the stream, man. Leave a like on the stream. We still have less likes. So I am here just to show if it like, oh wow, wow, wow. A zillion. Bro, thank you man, W. So that's it. That's it. That's the trade. So let me make the story there. W's in the chat, and that's it. Alright, so another day, another dollar, another W on the stream. And look at this. We were waiting for this, like potential sells close below, and this candle closed below the range. Next candle came up, execute the trade, secure half at 11 pips, secure another half at 16 pips. Now just one, I think 5% is running. W on the chat. Here is the OBS, and yeah, you can see the W's, and stream is running, man. Another day, another dollar, another W on the stream. And look at this. We were waiting for this, like potential sells close below, and this candle closed below the range. Next candle came up, execute the trade, secure half at 11 pips, secure another half at 16 pips. Now just one, I think 5% is running. W on the chat. Here is the So looks like we are about to. Yeah, we are about to stop out at break even. Yeah. No. 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 Bro, what's this? ALTA /. I think maybe this is your Instagram username, or I don't know. What's this? Oh, we survived from the BE. I think now it has to go down. Yeah. If we survive this, now it has to go down. So man, this is beautiful. Like taking the trades on the plan. This is just amazing. This is just beautiful. Yeah. Man, just imagine like taking the trades on the plan. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I secured like 16 pips there. Oh, it really goes like for, yeah, it goes for 18 pips. Let's see. Wow, maybe we came down, maybe we came up. Like I already said, man, I don't know. No one knows where the market will go. We just anticipate like now I like if this candle can break the high one more time, then it will go up. But if it came down now after rejecting this area, then we can see this move. We can see this move like 25 26 pips move there. Yeah, guys, leave a like on the stream, man. Always learning for free. Yeah, bro. This is the thing I said. Like, I'm not. You can also made some money. Like, if we have 8 wins and just 1 loss, and I'm still always think like, man, why I took that loss? And like 8 wins and 1 loss. That means we are doing something good. Yeah, that means we are doing something good. It is not like a fluke. It is not like stuff like that, man. We are doing something good. You have to understand this. We are doing something good. And that is the maybe that is why like people people are learning. So one more time, 7 pips, 8 pips. Let's see if we can get like some more things. But man, just that is why I always said, man, leave a like on the stream. I was the same guy 1 year before, and I quit the trading in 2023, in the start of the 2023, and now I am in front of you guys, in front of you, and doing the streaming, and I whatever I do this like in the last three, in the last 4 5 months. This is the impact of last 4 5 months. You can imagine, man, like if we do this. So what we have to do now, we have to we have to update the record. Oh, we have to update the record. Yeah, I was watching streaming record. I was watching Dr. Dollar, and he was good, man. So let's take the link of the stream. So maybe we may see like push towards the downside or salary play like this candle. If this candle close weak bearish, I think we can take another entry. Copy. So yeah, just paste the link there. That was a gold, that was a sell, that was a breakout, break of the previous candle, previous candle. Oh wow, that trade taken on the 30-minute time frame. I go with the full risk because I increase my risk 1.5%. And if I go with the 1%, it means I'm going with, and I close off at uh, 14 pips. No, 15. Let me see. Yeah, it is telling us like 16 pips. Uh, 15, it is between the 15 and 16. And I'm not like other traders. I will put 15 pips. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, what's this? Oh, now 15 pips. Here, trade is still running. We can say like 15 pips. And this is W. And what is the date today? 11 29 23. That's it, man. So what's the time? Oh, same time, like 12:30. We are taking the trades at the same time. Oh, 12:30 p.m. So this time is according to the Pakistan time. So yeah, maybe for now I don't think so we will survive this. Look at this. Now you can understand the reason why we didn't took the trade. So let's go to the MT5 one more time. Where is MT5? I think got stopped out at break even. No, no, still in this trade. We have 1 minute left for the candle to close 1 hour. Oh, oh, stopped out at break even. So yeah, let me. I think the next candle will came to this level. Definitely. Yeah, I am sure 100%. No, 99%. Because no one knows where the market will go. I am sure 90%. I think we can keep the sell stop there. Oh, we have a good top wick there. If we can keep the sell stop there. Oh, advantage point is very less. Advantage point is very small, but the trade is good. Yeah, trade is good. Advantage point is very small. There is no. If we can break the low of this candle, we have a less advantage point, but we have very good trade there. Like we have 13 pips advantage point. So yeah, that's it. Uh, Stopped out at break even. Not like do much stuff, but still managed to made some money in front of you guys. So I'm not doing the stuff like outside of the stream. Everything is in front of you guys. So we have a London Open. Look at this. We may find another trade on the stream. We may find another trade on the stream. If this candle can close above the range on the 15-minute time frame, we can go for the trade on the next candle. Advantage point is small, but oh, when this candle came down, I think we can. Oh wow, when this candle came down, we can go on the flip. Let's see the numbers, how the numbers come. How the numbers come. Oh, numbers are really bad. So numbers are bad, so gold has to go up. Alright, so it makes sense for me to gold to go up. Numbers are bad, so that is why our stop loss was at break even. And yeah guys, that was the trade. I don't think so we will find any other opportunity now. Maybe we find one more opportunity, but I think one trade is enough for now because that was a beautiful setup and that's it. Alright guys, so take care guys. I'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful stream. You just have to do one thing. Just show up on the stream and just gain the knowledge. Just take the trades. If our setup shows up, we'll go for the trade. Just this thing, nothing else. So yeah, that's it. That was the day, man. So we'll back tomorrow. Take care guys. Now it's time to glory to the Father. So yeah, that's it. Take care guys. Take care. Thank you for showing up on the stream.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. Cause you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.